If you're anything like me, I know one thing for sure. You and I both love to travel. And who wouldn't? Well, let's make sure you can breathe through airport security with TSA PreCheck. But what happens if your boarding pass isn't marked with TSA PreCheck? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We've all been there. That hard stop moment when you realize that your boarding pass doesn't show that you have the beloved TSA PreCheck. Now, if you're interested in getting TSA PreCheck, check out one of my videos where I show you how to get TSA PreCheck for free. Well, if you're stuck in that awful security line, watching the pre-check line just zip right through, and you're kind of annoyed because it seems like they're gonna get to their flight quicker than you are. Relax. First things first, let's talk about your known traveler number, or the KTN for short. This number is a crucial part of your traveler experience, especially if you value speed and convenience at the airport. This little guy is your golden ticket to TSA PreCheck. With it, you can breeze through security without the usual hassles. It's like the VIP pass that tells airport security, hey, this traveler is cool. Let them through with their shoes on. No need to remove your laptop or liquids either. But sometimes, even with the best intentions, we forget to add our KTN or the frequent flyer to our frequent flyer profiles. It's an easy mistake to make, especially when you're in a rush. It's like leaving your VIP pass at home. You technically have it, but it's not doing you any good. You miss out on all the benefits you deserve. So before you even think about booking that next flight, do yourself a favor and double check that your KTN is saved in your frequent flyer account. This is a small step and it can save you a lot of hassle later. It's usually as simple as logging into your airline website or app and updating your profile. Most airlines make it straightforward, so why would you leave without ensuring your KTN is properly added? Treat your KTN with the same level of importance. It's a small card with a big benefit. And hey, even if you've already booked your flight and realized that your KTN is missing in action, don't panic. There's still hope. You can usually add it during online check-in or even at the airport kiosk when you print your boarding pass. It's a quick fix that can save your day. It's like a last-minute save. A buzzer beater shot that gets you back in the game. You feel a sense of relief and accomplishment. So, keep that KTN handy and make it your travel buddy. It's your key to a smoother, more enjoyable travel experience. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Alright, so you've got your KTN locked and loaded, ready to breeze through security. You feel confident, maybe even a little smug, knowing that you'll be skipping those long lines. But wait, what's this? Your boarding pass is staring back at you with a name that looks vaguely familiar, but isn't quite right. It's like looking at a funhouse mirror version of your own name. Maybe it's a misspelling, maybe it's a missing middle initial, or maybe it's just plain wrong. It could be a simple typo or more of a complex error. But either way, it's a problem. Whatever the case, this is where things can get a little tricky. Navigating this situation can feel like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. You see, the TSA PreCheck is all about matching information. It's a system designed to ensure that everything lines up perfectly. Your name on your boarding pass needs to be the exact match to the name on your TSA PreCheck account. Even the smallest discrepancy can throw a wrench in your plans. Think of it as a super exclusive club where even the bouncer is a stickler for details. No exceptions, no leniency. So, what can you do if your name is played at hide and go seek? It might even seem daunting, but there are steps you can take to fix it. First and foremost, always double check, triple check your name when you're booking your flight. This simple step can save you a lot of time and headache down the line. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of choosing your seat and selecting your meal preference, but trust me, getting your name right is way more important. A perfect name ensures a smooth journey. If you do spot that discrepancy, contact the airline or booking agency ASAP. The sooner you address it, the better your chances of a quicker resolution. The sooner you catch it, the easier it can be fixed. Airlines are usually accommodating if you notify them promptly. And hey, if you're at the airport already, don't hesitate to flag down an airline representative. They can make quick adjustments on the spot. They're usually pretty good at sorting out these kinds of things. A little patience and politeness can go a long way. Just remember, a little bit of vigilance can also go a long way when it comes to your name and TSA PreCheck. Double checking details can save you a lot of hassle. Keep it accurate, keep it consistent, and all will be good to go. A smooth travel experience starts with getting the basics right. All right, you've got your KTN down pat. Your name is perfect, but your boarding pass is still missing that TSA PreCheck magic. What gives? Well, there's a chance your TSA PreCheck membership might have expired. Yeah, I know. It's like that gym membership you keep forgetting to cancel. But unlike the gym, TSA PreCheck is something you actually want to keep active. Remember, TSA PreCheck membership is valid for only 5 glorious years. That's 5 years of expedited security lines, 5 years of keeping your shoes on, 5 years of feeling like a travel rock star. But all good things must come to an end, and your TSA PreCheck membership is no exemption. To avoid any last minute surprises, make a note in your calendar to renew your membership about 6 months before it expires. Think of it as a little gift to your future self, a way to ensure that your travel experiences remain smooth and stress-free. And hey, if you're that forgetful type, set a reminder on your phone or write it on a sticky note and slap it on your bathroom mirror. Whatever it takes to jog your memory. Just don't let your TSA PreCheck membership expire. It's like letting go of one of those really comfortable pair of shoes. You won't realize how much you miss it until it's gone. So you've checked your KTN, your name is spelled right, and your TSA PreCheck membership is active. But your boarding pass is still stubbornly PreCheck free. It's frustrating, I know, especially when you've done everything right and you still can't breeze through security. What's the deal? Well, here's a curveball. Not all airlines participate in TSA PreCheck. This can be a real surprise, especially if you're used to the convenience of skipping the long security lines. It's like finding out your favorite pizza place doesn't deliver. A major bummer, but not the end of the world. You might have to make other arrangements, but it's manageable. Before you book your next flight, take a minute to check if the airline that you're flying with participates in TSA PreCheck. A quick search can save you a lot of hassle later on. Most airlines do, but it's always good to double check, especially if you're flying with a smaller or budget carrier. These carriers might not offer the same conveniences. Think of it as a compatibility check. Like, make sure your phone charger works with the outlet in a foreign country. It's a small step, but can make a big difference. You don't want to get caught off guard, right? A little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a smooth travel experience. Now, you find yourself in a situation where you've already booked a flight with an airline that doesn't offer TSA PreCheck. Don't despair. There are still options available to you. There might be a way to salvage the situation. Some airlines have partnerships with other airlines that do participate in TSA PreCheck. These partnerships can be a real lifesaver. This means that even though you're flying with one airline, you might be able to take advantage of TSA PreCheck if your flight is operated by a partner airline. It's a handy workaround. So before you resign yourself to the regular security lines, just do a little bit more digging. And if a partner airline can swoop in and save that day, a few extra minutes of research can save you a lot of time and stress at the airport. And so there you have it. Follow these tips to ensure your TSA PreCheck status is always active and ready to go. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for all the most wonderful travel content. Remember, TSA PreCheck is a beautiful thing, a small victory that can make your day a whole lot better. So keep those KTNs handy, double check those names, renew those memberships, and choose your airline wisely. With a little bit of preparation, you can breeze through the airport security and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Until next time, bye!